just rambling around. I'm just a lonesome hobo and I go from town to town. The police make it hard for me wherever I may go. I ain't got no home in this world anymore. Bridge blues is killing me, I don't know what to do. Makes no difference where I roam, I feel so sad and blue. Every night when I lay down, in my dreams I see that old bridge just standing there, I hear it calling me. No home, well I'm just rambling around. I'm just a lonesome hobo and I go from town to town. The police make it hard for me wherever I may go. I ain't got no home in this world anymore. Bridge blues is killing me, I don't know what to do. Makes no difference where I roam, I feel so sad and blue. Every night when I lay down, in my dreams I see that old bridge just standing there, I hear it calling me. Howdy folks, and a great big welcome to each and every one of you. Well, that tune that I just sung and played is called Natural Bridge Blues. It was composed and recorded first by Tommy Magnus in 1941. I first heard it on this long play record that Brother Birch Monroe made of old-time fiddle tunes. Brother Birch was brothers with Bill and Charlie Monroe. And Bill Monroe and the Bluegrass Boys backed him up on this album. So it's a terrific album. The reason why I made the video the way I did was that some folks contacted me and suggested it might be a good idea if I show a close-up of what I'm trying to do on the banjo as far as fingering and rhythm is concerned. So I hope that helps. I also there's a terrific version of Natural Bridge Blues being played by John Herman and John Engel, who are part of I think it's called Chicken Train Group in Asheville, North Carolina. There's a video of them somewhere. So hope you folks enjoyed the song and the tune. What I'd like to do now is a little Bible reading. So for those of you folks who are not interested in and do not want to hear Bible reading, now is the time to end the video. I'll say adios and thanks for watching. For those of you who are hanging on, there's all sorts of strange and perverse celebrations that have started here in Winnipeg downtown, and I just shake my head. A whole month being devoted to to what's a horrible sin. And it's not the people's fault. It's Satan that's misled them into thinking that this is okay to do. And it's all sorts of lewd stuff going on. But I don't even want to describe it anymore. It's just horrid, horrid. So, to celebrate my celebration of the month of June, I'd like to read a couple of passages from the Old Testament. First one is Proverbs chapter 8. Wisdom's call. Does not wisdom call out? Does not understanding raise her voice? On the heights along the way where the paths meet, she takes her stand. Beside the gates leading into the city, at the entrances, she cries aloud. To you, O men, I call out. I raise my voice to all mankind. You who are simple, gain prudence. You who are foolish, gain understanding. Listen, for I have worthy things to say. I open my lips to speak what is right. My mouth speaks what is true. For my lips detest wickedness. All the words of my mouth are just. None of them is crooked or perverse. To the discerning, all of them are right. They are faultless to those who have knowledge. Choose my instruction instead of silver, knowledge rather than choice gold, for wisdom is more precious than rubies, and nothing you desire can compare with her. And we all know that earlier on it said the beginning of wisdom is the fear of God. Oh, there's also a little passage in a tiny little book at the end of the Old Testament called Haggai. He was one of the prophets that prophesied 70 years after the Hebrews were exiled, and they came back, and he was prophesying to them. They had started rebuilding the temple in Jerusalem, but they were kind of slacking off and losing drive and getting bored and didn't want to work on the temple anymore. So Haggai chapter 2 verse 4. He's encouraging the folks. But now be strong, O Zerubbabel, declares the Lord. Be strong, O Joshua, son of Jehozadak, the high priest. Be strong, all you people of the land, declares the Lord, and work. For I am with you, declares the Lord Almighty. This is what I covenanted with you when you came out of Egypt, and my spirit remains among you. Do not fear. Pardon me. Yeah, so stand up. Don't back down to whatever's being shoved in your face by our modern day culture. Stand up and stand up for what's right. And wisdom and knowledge and truth all come from this book. Yeah. Jesus said, I am the way, the truth, and the life. So that's where real truth comes from. So hope you enjoyed the song and the tune. I hope you enjoyed the reading. I'll say God bless, and we'll see you down the road.